Good morning, my beautiful human beings on this planet Earth. But I was editing for like 2 hours, so then I fell back to sleep like around 8. Then I woke up at 9. Then I was editing for that whole hour, and now it's like 10:20. We're gonna go pick out my outfit for work because I need to hurry the fuck up and get my ass in the shower. Should I wear today? Let me be right back with you guys. This is what we're starting with. I already put moisturizer on my face. I've been using, this is my second day using the different oil absorbing moisturizer for acne. And there's my mom in the back.
¿Salió? No.
Yes.
Ah.
Tú y ese bonnet, bro. It's 11:23 right now. I'm looking at myself in the little camera, but I also have like, I should just do like this because I have my little mirror. I'll go here and I'm gonna top it off. Dookie dookie, I'm done. Let me just do this. I usually use the Charlotte Tilbury one or the Urban Decay, but I don't have it. So, like, this is like literally my backup. Hello, beautiful human beings on this planet Earth. I'm on my way to work, and I wish I could give you guys an OTD. I'm about to ask somebody, hi, can you hold my camera really quick, just so they can see my outfit? Okay, thank you, I appreciate it. Today, I am wearing Zara top, then a Zara top under the Zara top, because this is like, I forgot what this is called. And then another top, and then I'm wearing this body shape wear, and then my jeans are also from Zara. My mom really did a lot with this outfit, which she kind of does in every outfit of mine, because she's actually the reason why I chose blue. Yesterday I wore yellow because of her. Like, every time I pick an outfit is based off the color she gives me. She made my bow so cute, and I really don't want my camera today because I want to record when I get out of work, because I got out of work at 5 and it's 12:35 right now, and I have to be there in like 20 minutes. I'm early. Aren't you guys proud of me? My hair, she also did my hair, she styled it, but I chose the style. And yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi guys. Oh my god, my camera's on one, but that's it. I'm free. I'm just got out of work. I'm about to use them. I'm still at work, but that's it. I'm off the clock. I'm gonna just go use the bathroom really fast.